Hi, and welcome to this RentAdmin tutorial. We'll guide you through managing work orders in RentAdmin. Learn how to create, assign, and track work orders to keep your properties running smoothly. Let's get started. We'll be focusing on the owner, Simon Jones, who currently has £2,400 in income and no expenses recorded for this financial year, as shown in this report. Let's go to the work orders page by clicking on the menu item in the left-hand side menu. Click on the Add Work Order button to start adding a new work order. We will add this to the Simon Jones's property. Let's give it a general description: water damage in lounge. Choose the type of work order and click Save to create it. This creates a new work order. A work order can include multiple jobs, each of which can be assigned to different contractors. The expense will only be transferred to the owner, Simon, once the work order is completed. Let's start by creating our first job. Click on the Add Job button. This opens the job details page where we can add all the necessary information. First, select the type of job, such as a repair. Then assign a contractor, if applicable, to complete the job. Add a description of the job and the estimated amount. Please note, the actual amount transferred to the owner's account will be the paid amount, including fees. The job status allows you to track the progress of the job. You can update it as needed, for example, from pending to in progress or completed. This helps keep everyone informed about the current state of the work. Next, specify the job's start and end dates. Once we're satisfied with the entry, we can click the Submit button to save the job details. Now let's add another job. Now let's assume the first job is complete and the contractor has finished. To update the details, click the Edit Job button next to the job. The expense date represents when the contractor is paid. This date is used to record the expense against the owner's account. We can come back and update the details of this job as long as the work order is still open. Let's complete the other job too. We can see that the total for this work order so far is £700. Since we have not yet completed this work order, no charge has been made to the owner's account. Let's verify this by visiting the Reports section. Here we can see that the owner, Simon, still has no expenses on his account. Let's take a look at the financials screen. No expense has been recorded here, as expected. Let's go back to the work order and mark it as complete. The financials screen now shows a charge of £700. Let's click on it to view the details. The expense is pre-selected. Click the Pay Remittance button to process the payment. This has now added the payment to the owner's account. Let's take a look at the report section and see Simon Jones's account. We can now see the £700 expense on the account. We can view the work order again by using the filter and setting the status to complete. Since the work order is in complete status, we can only add notes and cannot change any other details. Finally, notes can be added on the work order or individual jobs. This concludes the tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.